This is gonna last me 2 weeks? Wow. What's up, my loves? It's your girl CiCi. I hope you're doing well, that you're healthy and safe and at peace. We are doing something very different today. We are reviewing a product. I rarely ever do that, but this is gonna be fun. We're trying out Moitie Cosmetics 10-day lashes. Now let's find out if you can actually wear temporary lashes that will last you 10 days. Now that's a big claim, but let's see how it goes. So I got a full package from them. I got the full kit, and we're about to break it down and find out what the drill really is. I got a whole bunch of stuff to make these lashes stick. So this is one pouch. Let's open it and see. So in this pouch I got, might just be a mirror, let's see. Ooh, hold on. Okay, we got a mirror right here, but guess what? That's not just it. Oh shoot, I believe it has lights, like dimmer lights. Ooh, look at this. So this is gonna be in my pocket, like this is gonna be in my backpack, in my pouch, in my purse, whatever I'm carrying on the go, because boo-boo. Yes. There's a few products in there, let's see. Okay, so we have all the elements for our 10-day lashes. So this is the Super Lash Removal Gel. So when it's time to take them off, I got this gel. Let's see what it's like. We got a protective cap. Oh. Ooh, it looks like lip balm. Oh, but it has the consistency of slime, and it smells really nice. It smells like fruity, very fruity, like strawberries. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over the instructions, and we're gonna figure out what everything is for. This for sure is the glue. Okay, I can tell already. And it is, let's see. Okay, it's black. I really like when a lash glue is dark tone or black, because in my opinion it helps blend in with your lashes much easier than if it was white. I tend to find that white lash glues tend to leave a residue, and it takes much longer to kind of disappear. So black or dark tone lash glue, I'm here for it. Next we got this 10-day Super Lash Extensions applicator. Let's take a look. Wow, I love this. It comes with a lash applicator. Moitie Cosmetics, you did that. Then we got this kind of smudge brush thingamajigger, and we got a spoolie. So these are kind of the things that usually you get when you go to an actual lash technician. They usually let you go home with these items, this to brush your lash and kind of cleanse them, or just remove, you know, dust or debris. And this is used usually to cleanse the roots of your lashes. So I'm thinking this is what these are for too, but again, we're gonna read the instructions. Finally, we have the lashes. We have 3 options. We have, this is hashtag Los Angeles, and then this one right here is hashtag Paris. So these are 2 options for now. And we have one that came in a box. Now, something tells me that this one is like the VIP, the je ne sais quoi, the special edition. Ooh. Yeah, this one is definitely much more classic, I would say. You know, classy vibes, wedding vibes, au naturel vibes. Very much more, you know, simple and sophisticated than the other ones. But I like them all, and I like the fact that these are actually broken. Not broken, but you know, cut in pieces. That way you can kind of customize. Let's get to the application. By the way, this might have been the test, because now we can see how it dries. So when I go like this, yo, that stuff is solid. This is not budging much. This ain't cheap. This is not cheap stuff. Instructions time. Okay, we are taking the instructions booklet, 10-day lashes application and instructions. Okay, let's see what this says. I don't actually wear glasses, so let me take these off real quick. We're done fooling around. What you need? Well, clearly it says do not drink or eat our product. Contact a poison control center immediately if ingested. Don't do it. Do not use other lashes, glues, or solvents with our product. Don't rub, pull, pick at, or tug the lashes once applied. CiCi, you heard that? Dispose of any remaining Super Lash Bond, Super Lash Removal Gel, or Super Lash Seal 60 days after opening. Okay, so they're good for 2 months, which is a reasonable amount of time. I have time to use them. So in very, very big letters, we got here an important instruction. Our lashes are only designed to be applied over your natural lash hairs, so not to your skin, okay? Literally, not on just the line, but on the actual hairs. So we're gonna demonstrate that in a little bit. Got it. Let me draw you closer. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. All right. Okay. Step number 1: coat your lashes with the 10-day Super Lash Bond. Make sure you have a generous amount of bond over the natural lashes. Step number 2, grab the segments of the lashes that you choose. Remove the lashes with the DIY Lash Extensions applicator. Make sure to grasp the segments close to the band and not at the delicate lash hairs. Step number 3, apply the bond to the segment. So only apply the bond to the underside root of the lash segments. Make a line as thick as the band size on the lashes and make sure that there's enough bond on the brush while you're applying. Step number 4, place the first segment. Place the segment over your natural lashes, right on the lash roots. You want to use a makeup wipe to clean the applicator if there's any bond residue. Step number 5, you want to continue onto the other segments. You want to squeeze your natural lashes together with the lash extensions using the applicator. Squeeze them a few times together at the root to make sure the lashes are entirely bonded together. Repeat the same steps on the other eye. So final step after applying the 10-day lashes is to seal them with the 10-day Super Lash Seal. You want to wait for the lashes to dry for a few minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes, then apply a few coats of the 10-day Super Lash Seal right to the underside roots of the lashes like a mascara, and that will help the bond dry as quickly as possible and extend the longevity of the extensions. I am not bad. I am not mad at this right now. Not at all. Not at all. Now, the test is to see if this is really gonna last 10 days, and especially if it is waterproof, because, you know, I don't wanna be going in the shower and I get a segment falling off. Like, that's why I usually go to the permanent, well, not permanent, semi-permanent lash tech, because I don't have to worry about lashes for, you know, usually about that time, about 10 days. So it took me, what, less than 20 minutes, very affordable, and this is gonna last me 2 weeks? Wow, we shall see. So first, the water splash test. Welcome to my bathroom, y'all. So we're gonna quickly try and splash some water and see what happens. I'm literally just gonna splash my face with water. Okay, it's not budging. It is not budging whatsoever. This is well, I'm not supposed to tug and pull, but this is a test, so. Yeah, it's not budging. It is not budging, period. Well, I guess I got lashes for the next 10 days. Ooh. Just a little close-up view. Just a little close-up action for y'all. And I want to mention that as I was applying the glue, the 10-day Super Lash Bond Glue, the precision tip here that you see, this right here, it really allowed me to get closer to the lash line. Sorry, not the lash line, the actual lashes, but you know, close to the lash line in the sense that you're getting the full length of the hair, right? And as you noticed, I really took my time, and this is what I learned. This is why I feel like this eye might be slightly better than this eye application-wise, but it really had to do with me taking my time and being precise with coating the entire lash hair. So the fact that this is a very precise tip helped a lot. All right, my loves, well, this concludes this portion of the video where we apply the 10-day lashes by Moitie Cosmetics. It's like I went to get my lashes done, but it only took me, what, maybe 15-20 minutes? And we'll come back in 10 days to find out if this is really holding up to what they say. Is this really gonna last me 10 days? We're about to find out. So this is 10 days later, you guys. So it actually lived up to its claim. 10 days later, the lashes are still on. They're still on, as you can tell. And it still looks pretty flawless. I had a friend ask me, she saw me last week and she saw me again this week. And she asked me, are these the same lashes you were wearing last week? It can't be. And I said, yep, I'm actually trying on 10-day lashes. And this is what you see. It lasted me a whole week and a half. So kudos to 10-day lashes by Moitie Cosmetics. I am looking forward to using the other 2 pairs that I have. So if you guys enjoyed this review, please give this a thumbs up. If you want to try the products, feel free to access the links in the description box. On that note, I will see you next time. Remember to stand tall in life and in love. Mwah.